Okay, so Jhene Aiko, this woman lost her house because of the wildfire that happened out in Los Angeles, California. And Jhene Aiko, she did in fact bring this up on her social media page. And because she did that, a lot of people sent her a lot of backlash. And not only a lot of people sent her backlash, but at the same time too, people were poking fun and making fun of her demise. Now, what I have to ask y'all is this, man, because I want to know, man, whatever happened to us as human beings, man? Like, there was a point in time where we've showed compassion towards one another. And it seems like nowadays we as human beings, we don't show compassion towards one another anymore. It seems like to me we show more compassion for wild animals than we do for each other. Regardless of our skin color, whether for black or white or Asian or Hispanic, it seems like we as human beings, we've lost the sense of compassion. And I want to say too, because Willie D talked about this. Shout out to Willie D. And I'm gonna put the video down in the description box just so y'all can check it out. But man, like the fact that people went on Jhene Aiko's social media page and was, making fun of her demise, and not only making fun of her demise, but, sending her backlash. Like, this woman is a mother of 2 kids. Like, come on, man. Like, where's the compassion? I mean, let's be honest here. If y'all were in that same position, would y'all want people to send y'all backlash and poke fun at your demise? No, you wouldn't. But yo, man, I don't understand people, man. I really don't. Like, I really do not understand people. I don't know why we as human beings, I don't know why we think it's cool to, poke fun at you, poke fun at each other while, while we're going through something. I don't know why it's cool for us as people to kick each other while we're down. Like, I don't understand, man. I really don't. And, it's not just Jhene Aiko that lost her home, but there were in fact thousands of people who have lost their homes because of this wildfire that happened out in LA. And, again, my thoughts and prayers do go out to the people out in Los Angeles who have lost their homes, who have lost their businesses, who also have, in fact, lost their loved ones because of this wildfire. Like, I wouldn't wish this on anybody, not even on my worst enemy. It, it just blows my mind how we as human beings, we've lost the sense of compassion when it comes to each other. But when it comes to these wild animals, whether if it's, the tigers or the lions or the bears or the whales, we have way more compassion for them. But when it comes to, people who are out and homeless on the streets, like a lot of us don't have that sense of compassion. Now, I know it's not all of us, but it's a lot of us out here that, go through life without, having this sense of compassion for other people. And, again, I just don't understand people, man, like for real. Like I really don't. And I know a lot of dudes are gonna come into the comment section and call me a simp for defending Jhene Aiko. And to be honest with you, if you're gonna call me a simp, I really don't care. And the reason why I don't care is simply because I've been called worse things. But that's it. That's all I gotta say, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, man. The link to Willie D's video on this will be down in the description box below. But yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say. Hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, and I'm out. I love y'all. Peace.